Hey, it's Kevin Jervis from Grand Rapids Reel Producers, and I'd like you to join me for our fall mixer on October 11th from 3 to 5 p.m. here at New Holland Brewing in downtown Grand Rapids. This event is for the top real estate agents in the Grand Rapids area and our preferred partners. Come enjoy appetizers, drinks, and some networking with the best of the best. I'd like to give a special shout out to New Holland Brewing for hosting and sponsoring our event, as well as our other sponsors, Agent Concierge Services, Summit Point Roofing, Harr Creative, and McDonald Photography. Check your emails for our Eventbrite invites or our private Facebook groups for the link. We look forward to seeing many of you at our last event of the year.